You're listening to CFI. I love aviation, and when I'm not flying real airplanes, I fly RC, an autonomous aircraft. As most pilots do, I love cars. Fast cars, pretty cars, practical cars, you name it, and I probably like it. Well, not smart cars. Today, I'm giving those of you interested in a car restoration a peek at my latest in-progress project, a 1963 Studebaker. And if you haven't already guessed it, Studebaker designers had an aviation theme for the cockpit of this road warrior. This is what I got over 5 years ago. It has come a long way since and is yet to be completed, but as of now, it looks like this. There are forums and owners clubs along with books and web pages that provide tons of information about the Avanti. Most like to show you the glam shots or a panoramic of a complex assembly. What is missing are pictures of the less glamorous but essential parts. If they are out there, they're hidden, which is the same as not being anywhere. What you are seeing is my trove of photos for all things Avanti. If you are interested, you can buy my Avanti restoration book. Not particularly a step-by-step, but full of insight and progress in the restoration and mild updating of an antique muscle car built to cruise. Got a question? Just ask. The last of under 4,000 Avantis rolled off the assembly line 56 years ago. Do the math. Guys and gals with deep hands-on knowledge of this beast are almost as rare. Enjoy these 1,000 photos of parts before, during, and after repairs, placement shots, and more that took years to assemble. Each shot has an ID in the left corner that corresponds to its location in the web album Avanti Reborn at www.avantireborn.shutterfly.com. That website is in the description. Got a question? Leave it as a comment and I'll try to get back to you. Enjoy! And keep on flying.